What's up YouTube, Jerry Lane here with Nova Tech. Today we got a quick one for you, super easy decision. Should you get these? 100%. If you missed all the leaks, the rumors, everything that's been going on and talked about the AirPods Pro, Apple quietly announced these bad boys on their website just a couple days ago. And yes, they are now in stores at the time of this video, I believe on April, what's wrong with me? On October 30th. I think I am tired. Tomorrow's Halloween. I'm so excited that I got these in hand. Let's unbox them. To quickly address the elephant in the room, no, I did not go get a bunch of tattoos. This is for Halloween. Like I said, tomorrow's Halloween, and I'll leave it at that. But do I love tattoos? Yes. Do I wish I had some? Yes. Would my mom kill me? Yes. Would my wife probably be mad? Also yes. Maybe I'll still get some someday. What do you guys think I should get? Drop a comment below. I love American traditional, Japanese, and minimalist tattoos. Ooh. Straight up, no joke, I have been waiting for Apple to come out with a pair of wireless buds or wireless headphones even that have noise canceling. No, I don't want Beats, I don't want anything like that. I love the portability of AirPods, and I almost picked up those Sony wireless noise canceling earbuds that I've heard pretty good things about them. I almost picked those up, but you can't beat the convenience of AirPods if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, and Apple done it. If you're gonna get the brand new AirPods 2 that have the wireless charging case for $200, $50 more for noise cancellation, I think is 100% worth it. Seriously, no joke, it'll change your life. I want noise canceling everything, just like I want USB-C everything, which on that note is not the case here. So the new AirPods come with a USB-C to Lightning cable, but the reason is because this AirPod is still Lightning. Very annoying, but you know, what are you gonna do about it? I think eventually, for sure, they're gonna go to USB-C, but at least these new AirPods 3s, or AirPod Pros is what they're calling them, have wireless charging, so you don't have to buy the extra case. So for someone like me, where I have a few different pairs of AirPods because I've lost some, found some, been given some, the original AirPods, yes. Lightning, no wireless charging. Colorware's black version, amazing. Also, the original pair, no wireless charging. I held out on getting the wireless charging case, and it was well worth it because AirPods Pro are now here. And yes, they're only in the dental floss gloss white. All right, so for the unboxing, what else comes in the box? Like I said, Lightning to USB-C cable, but the new thing, ear tips. These AirPods Pro have large, small, right here, and then the medium ones come already on the earbuds, and they have this cool new like ear fit test inside the software where you can find out the perfect fit for you, so you don't have to just be like, okay, well this fits in there and now I can't hear anything, but I want the best seal. Well, they have software that tells you what the best fit is. Pretty cool. Now, besides that, I am very much excited to say that this case, definitely wider, but not much bigger than the original. If you just turn it on its side and you put them side by side, really not that different in size. So that's pretty awesome because the Sony wireless noise canceling earbuds, that case is pretty darn big and chunky, so love this. Quick side by side for you so you can see the original case, which is the same specs as the new wireless charging case, next to the new AirPods Pro case. Love that. And the LED indicator light on the front is always nice because, like I said, I have two Gen 1 AirPods that don't have that and don't have wireless charging, so I'm pretty excited about that. Like I said, this video is incredibly easy for me to make, so testing them out a little bit, there's not that much to say. How am I really gonna show you how great the sound quality is? I'd say after playing around with it for a few minutes, they sound definitely better than they used to. I think they even look a little bit better than they used to, and they definitely fit better than they used to. So for some people, the old AirPods, oh my gosh, that sounds so weird. Nothing's on, no noise cancellation, nothing. They're just in, they got a good tight seal, and I already can't really hear myself talking very well. Almost just sounds like I'm nasally and sick. But the seal, amazing. I like that the little stem is a lot shorter. I love what MKBHD said. I see Bellsprout for sure. I think Sam Sheffer said this too. For sure. Pokemon fans, Bellsprout, agreed? Yeah, yeah. Gen 1, Pro. What do you guys think? I like that the stem is a lot shorter than the new Pro ones. Yo, also, check out these tattoos. Drew them all on with Sharpie myself. Halloween 2019. Can you guess what I'm gonna be? I love audio, but I'm not a crazy audiophile, so I thought these sounded okay for how portable and convenient they were. They weren't the best, they weren't the worst. I was fine with them. Yes, these sound a little bit better. I won't say they sound amazing now. They do sound better, and I think mainly it's because of the tight seal that you get, so you really just get engraved, enthralled into your music or movies, TV shows, whatever else you're watching or listening to. That's pretty cool. Now, of course, the best part is the noise cancellation. I won't say that these are comparable with Bose QC35-2s or other on-par noise canceling headphones, but these definitely do the trick for me. I cannot tell you, I've been waiting so long for them to add noise canceling to this, so for $250, no brainer. So some of the things I'm noticing, still no volume, sound, rocker, or slider on the earbuds, but yes, touch capacitive buttons, which is pretty cool. Before you could tap kind of anywhere on the AirPods and bring up Siri. Now you've got a few more functions. I'll let you play around with that, figure it out. There's not that many things you can do. I still wish that you can control volume here without Siri, you know what I mean? For rumors and such, everybody thought there was gonna be black one, maybe even other colors. Still stuck with gloss white. Colorware, come on, hit me up. You guys know I love your product. I don't know how many videos I've included your black AirPods in, but I'm a huge, huge fan of black AirPods. People, Colorware, super worth it. Unless Apple, of course, releases their own black model. Maybe Black Friday. That'd be a smart move, Apple. Gen 1, Pro. Which one do you guys like better? Oh, how about I show you the black ones too? Personal favorite. Oh, these are amazing. Oh, let me go to the other one. Now imagine this with the new AirPods Pro. Oh, Colorware, hit me up. Also, Apple, just make a black pair. Everybody wants it, you know it. AirPods 1, black. AirPods Pro, gloss white. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Let me know what other videos you want to see because we are posting a lot more often. This is the new house, the new space. I'm filming all over the place, letting you guys see little snippets, little peeks. I have an apartment tour of my last apartment coming real soon. I'll title that Apartment Tour 2019 or something. And then I'm gonna start pumping out the videos of all the upgrades and personal house renovations and studio/office renovations I've been doing to this new house. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for this video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Jerry Lane with Nova Tech. To the next one and beyond.